Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. We got a damn good show for the great day. How y'all doing, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm having a great day too. I'm enjoying these pumpy pumps for the upside. You know, XRP is just gonna go to the moon. You know how it is, and I'm holding on to my bags. Are you? Let me ask you right now. Are you strapped in? Are you loaded? Are your bags full of XRP? Because you know how it is, guys. XRP is absolutely going to take an absolute rip to the upside, my man. Welcome to everybody here over on the live stream. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm having a fantastic day. XRP is having a fantastic day. We're going to the upside. It is what it is. Can't say not otherwise. Can't say otherwise. Big shout out for everybody here over on the live stream. Welcome to anybody who is new here. Make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'm streaming on every single platform out there, guys. I'm streaming on YouTube, Twitch, I'm on Kick, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok. I'm all over the place. No reason why not to get my price ranges, guys. No reason why not to get the news, not to get what the hell is happening with some XRP action. Big shout out for everybody here over on the live stream, especially over here on the TikTok. TikTok is absolutely booming, of course, like always. Big shout out to you guys. How you all doing? Guys, if you want to do some TA on whatever coins you want to look at or whatever markets you want to look at, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I would do my best to do some TA on whatever assets you want to look at. I'll be on the lookout for those. So if you guys want to look at anything whatsoever, when I do my analyses on these coins, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'll do my best to do some TA for you guys. And let's find out what the hell is happening with the markets. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Stick around and smash that follow if you haven't already. Subscribe to whatever platform you prefer. And hit the like button if you haven't already. The more you hit the like button, the higher the XRP price goes. So smash that like button as much as you can, guys. We're going to grow this channel as much as I can. We're going to try to get to that 10,000 like mark. And we get to 10,000 likes over on the TikTok. That would be absolutely bazonkers and absolutely amazing. Also, guys, if you want to share the wealth, share it with everybody you know. Go ahead and share the live stream with everybody you know on all your social media. We're trying to grow this channel as much as we can, and I can't do that without you guys' help. So if you can help me out with that by sharing the link, sharing the wealth, sharing the knowledge, go right ahead and do that and help me out, guys. Big shout out for everybody here. Big shout out to Big Rob over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow, Big Rob. You the man, Big Rob. Oh, now that I see you, Rob, let me make sure that I activate it over here. Boom, boom, boom. Big shout out to Chris Padilla over on the YouTube channel. He's saying, I sold at the high. Today I'm finally getting back in. RNDR VAI FET. Yeah, we could do some. You want to look some? You want to do some TA on render RNDR? I believe we were looking on that coin on the last live stream. I don't remember. I think we were VAI. We could do some VAI. Of course we can. We can do it on FET. Yeah, we can look at some FET. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. So big shout out for everybody here over on the live stream. You guys are amazing like always. Make sure you smash that like button on all the platforms out there, guys. Every single goddamn day I'm getting a goddamn flag over on my TikTok channel. I don't know why my TikTok channel is getting flagged so much. It's not like I'm sharing wrong or false information. I'm telling you guys, XRP is going to go to the moon, and he did. What the hell you want more from me? What else you want? What more do you want from me? Come on. So make sure that you follow me on all the platform, guys, just in case I get taken down on any other platform. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. No excuses, guys. No excuses not to follow the news, not to follow what the hell I'm doing with my XRP. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube channel. Love you too, my man. Big shout out to you. Boom, boom. Let's go. Let me get things ready over here so you can set up. Let me see what I can do over here. Make sure your charts are ready, guys. We're going to go in. I'm going to give us a few more minutes just to see how it gets here. We'll give it like 3 more minutes and we'll start the class. So big shout out for everybody here over on the live stream, guys. You guys are amazing. B Alpha over on the TikTok. Thank you for that like over on the TikTok. I am him. Welcome back. I am him. Big shout out to you. What's up, my man? How you doing? I'm doing super duper good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Taking it easy. Watching these gains go up and down. You know how it is. We're going to go in it today. XRP having a little bit of a mini pullback after the whole Fed now launch Told you guys the Fed now had nothing to do with XRP, but no, nobody believes me. Nobody believed me. I told you guys that the hype on XRP was the Fed now launch, that people thought the Fed now was going to use XRP. Fed now doesn't use XRP. Fed now is a direct competitor of XRP. It's like Apple uses Microsoft. Fed now uses XRP as Apple uses Microsoft Office. It doesn't. No. It had nothing to do with it, guys. Fed now is not what's going to drive the XRP price to the upside. It's what's happening right now. People's interest, the eyes of the world waking up to the absolute potential that XRP is. That's what's going to drive the price of XRP up. Fuck the Fed now and all that. None of that had to do with it. Big shout out to Ricardo Santana over on the YouTube channel. Thank you for that subscribe over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Ricardo. So we're going to give it a few more minutes. Big shout out to I am Oyen over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Oyen. Let me scroll through here and see what we got. Just so random. What's up with you, my man? It's all good or good. You know how it is. Chilling like a villain, making these gains to the upside. Waiting for my goddamn trade to execute. Please, God, let this fucking trade execute. I'm going to be showing you guys today what I'm going to be doing, guys. Check this out. Check. This is my trade. Look at this. These are all my open trades. You see that? We're going to go into that today. We're going to see how the hell we're going to cash this bottom action. Are we going to catch it at 76? Are we going to catch it at 70, 65, 55, 48? Where are we going to bounce? Where are we going to bounce? Where are we going to go? I don't know. Stick around. We're going to find out today. So big shout out for everybody here over on the TikTok. TK! Big shout out to you, TK. Oh, thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing. Joe! My man Joe. How you doing, Joe, over on the YouTube channel? How you doing, Joe? It's all good. You know how it is. Without Joe, there is no shout. Joe, are you enjoying these profits to the upside, my man? Can't do nothing else for you, my man. XRP absolutely breaking to the top. Going to the upside. We are definitely enjoying these price actions to the upside, guys. Ricardo Santana, keep killing it over on the YouTube channel. Keep killing it, bro. You know how it is, man. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for stopping by. You know how it is. We're trying to grow these channels as much as we can. Trying to make it to the top. To the tippity top, guys. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube channel saying 45 cents would be crazy as hell. Can you imagine? Bro, I'm going to tell you right now that if XRP goes back down to 45 cents, I'm going to lose my fucking mind. Not because it dumps, but because I don't have any more money to buy XRP. Everything is 100% on my head. I don't have any more money. I don't want it to go back down all the way to 45. I'm gonna have to refinance my house. I don't want to refinance my house. You know what I mean? I don't want to do that. But I will if it goes down to 45 cents. Not telling you to do that, bro. Don't refinance your house. That's the stupidest thing you could ever do. But I don't have any more money to buy more XRP. I already bought everything I had. 100% of my portfolio is on XRP. What do you want? I can't do anything. Can't do anything. Wait, my camera's a little wobbly right here, guys. Let me fix that. I've got some technical issues over here. Are you following me? Are you following me? Yeah, you're following me. You're following me. Oh, that's cool. How the hell do I turn that off? I think I turned that off by going here. I don't want the camera to follow me like you see that? You see this? That's awesome. Look what the camera's doing. That's kick ass. But I don't want that. I don't want it to do that. Done. It should be off. Okay. Joe Zimmer over on the over on the YouTube channel saying 55,578 is my entry. Oh my God, Joe, you're learning too much, Joe. You the man. That's exactly my entry. Look at this. Look. This is my limit buy order right over here. 55,578. And that's exactly what bro. Nah. You do too much, Joe. You gotta chill the fuck out. You're gonna take all the XRP from us, guys, my man. We need XRP for everybody, you know? You can't just buy it all for yourself. No. Leave some XRP for the rest of us, please. 55 cents. That's a beautiful entry price right there, Joe. You the man. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube. On God, bro. You know how it is, my man. Anything below the gold ratio, I'm happy with. I don't see it going lower than the golden ratio anytime soon, but if it does, you're gonna best believe we're gonna be here buying all the XRP. Best believe. Big shout out to ERX over on the TikTok. All my savings is there. Just like me too. All of my portfolio is on XRP. It's probably the stupidest thing I could ever do with my money. But hey, it's my money. I do whatever the fuck I want with it. And I bought XRP. It is what it is. And I'm winning. We bought XRP when it was 17 cents. And I've been holding on to XRP ever since. And I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't selling shit. I'm enjoying these prices to the upside. Just ask yourself, what the hell are you going to sell XRP for? For cash? Cash goes down. XRP goes up. Do the math here, guys. Do the math. What the hell are you selling XRP for? Come on, know what you hold, people. Know what you hold. I am him over on the TXX saying crypto radio personality style. I'm trying to keep it interesting, trying to keep it entertaining. I have a whole hour I gotta kill, you know how it is. And you know what? This right here, this whole live stream that I'm doing every single day, it's like therapy for me. It's not easy being a crypto trader. Let me tell you right now, it's not an easy lifestyle. Whoever chooses to be a crypto trader, it's just out of their fucking minds, like I am. And I gotta keep it interesting. Keep it interesting, Steve McKee, welcome back, Steve McKee. What's you doing, my man? XRP going back to 45. I'm borrowing against my 401k. Oh my God, bro. I wish I could endorse that decision and not look like a total asshole if it doesn't go our way. I don't advise. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what the hell to do with that. But if I had a 401k, I used to have a 401k long ass time ago. That's completely gone. My 401k is XRP. That's my 401k. Absolutely. Chingazos Records over on the TikTok saying I went all in on XRP and XLM back at 20 and 30 cents. My man, Chingazos, you the man. Bro, man, you're one of the smartest people I know. You're one of the smartest people I know. We went in on XRP when it was 17 cents. Back in 2020, when the whole lawsuit happened. I actually opened up this YouTube channel back in 2020, when all that bullshit happened, just to warn you guys not to listen to what the hell the news were saying. My whole journey in this whole live stream community has started because of that 17 cent XRP. And you should have seen me there, my man. I bought a shit ton of XRP. A shit ton of XRP. And I've been holding ever since. You do whatever the hell you want to do. Be holding XRP since 17 cents. And I'm going to keep holding on to my XRP for forever. 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 Big shout out to Bulldog Gang over on the TikTok. That's a kick-ass name. If I had a 401k, I would no longer have a 401k. Yeah, exactly. I don't have a 401k because I wouldn't have a 401k if I had a 401k. That's me all over right there. Sunny Ray 369 over on the TikTok saying never 50 cent again. That's I don't see it happening. I just don't see it happening. Big shout out to Ricardo Santana again for the subscribe. Big shout out to you, Ricardo Santana. Chris 254 over on the TikTok asking, I have 5k XRP. What are your thoughts? That you have a fuck ton of XRP and you should keep holding on to that XRP. Do whatever the fuck you want to do. But 5k XRP, that's a pretty hefty bag right there, my man. Pretty hefty bag. Big shout out to Ron's over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. ERX saying over on the TikTok, 5k is too little. My man, hey, you do what you got, man. You store however much you can afford. You still got to buy it with money. You need to afford it. Some people, if hey, 5K is that's enough for you, then 5K is enough for you. My target price for XRP, $5. 5K times $5, that's $25,000. $25,000 is a lot of money. Well, at least for me, it's a lot of money. I can do a bunch of shit with $25,000. That's all my debts right there. I could get rid of all my debts, but XRP with $5 with 5K XRP. You know? Don't belittle your bag. 5K XRP is a lot of fucking XRP, you know? Hold on for the entire bull cycle next year. We're starting next year, okay? So keep holding on to your XRP bags, my man. Take it to the moon. Take it to the moon. But like I always say, when people ask me if I should buy more XRP, man, that's completely up to you, my man. Can you afford buying more XRP? You know? Can you afford buying more XRP? It's a very individual question. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Chris 254 over on the TikTok saying waiting for it to go down to 70 to buy 5K more. Bro, there you go. That would give you 10K XRP at $5. That's $50,000. Not financial advice. Do whatever the hell you want to do, but that's $50,000, bro. $50,000? Shit, I want $50,000. You know what I mean? Jordan over on the TikTok saying I have 60,000 XRP. Can't wait to see some action, bro. 60,000. That's an even heftier bag right there, my man. 60K XRP. We're talking about $5 XRP. 60 times 5. You do the math. That's a shit ton of money right there, my man. Let me tell you right there. That's $300,000. It don't get. I could do a lot of damage with $300,000. ERX saying all in on XRP. I'm all in. That's right, my man. I'm all in 100%. 100% of my portfolio is on XRP. Not telling you to do that. That is the dumbest thing you could ever do in finance. Putting all your eggs in one basket. But I don't give a fuck. It's my money, and I do whatever the fuck I want with it. I went 100% in on all the XRP. Back when it was 17 cents, it went to $1. It went to $1, people. Come on. Come on. And it's showing no signs whatsoever of it slowing down. Smash that like button, guys, if you want XRP to go to $100. The more you smash the like button, the higher the XRP price. Let's go. Bulldog Dangalega gang over on the TikTok saying we're getting silly in the comments. Completely normal, man. It's TikTok. Come on, we're here to have fun. I also sold all 5 lumbers for a yeah, me too. I also sold all my Lamborghinis to buy some XRP. Let's go. That's some really sound financial advice there. Yeah, go do you, boo boo. I sold my house. I sold my wife. I sold my Lambos. What? To buy XRP? Yeah. Nah, don't do that. That's completely stupid, my man. Don't do that. You guys are hilarious over on the TikTok. You guys are awesome. Mutts over on the YouTube channel. I had 1,200 XRP, but I sold it when it went up. Now I regret it. Now I'm waiting to entry again. Ooh, what price did you sell it at, my man? Ugh. See, this is why I tell people just hodl your XRP. You know when I'm thinking about selling my XRP, you know when that's gonna, like, my target price is $5.89. That's my first take profit. But in no way, shape, or form does that mean that I'm going to be selling my XRP. I'm just going to consider it. If we get to $5, then I'm going to start considering taking a little bit off. You know? Taking a little bit off to buy a Lambo. The Lambo that I have on my live stream. I've always wanted a black Lamborghini. That's my target price is $5. If we can get it to buy, I'll take a little bit off to buy my first Lambo. You know what I mean? But hold on to your XRP, man. I'm holding on to my XRP for a long, long time. Way past $5. Okay? Way past $5. Bulldog saying over on the TikTok, I sold my kidney and liver to buy XRP. My man, that is some sound financial advice right there. Sell your liver. Sell everything to buy XRP. Yeah, what could possibly go wrong? What could that whole fuck it mentality is what made me rich over on XRP. You do what you got to do, man. You do what you got to do. Let's chill the fuck out and not sell our kidneys to buy XRP. Come on. I am him over on the TikTok saying, can you teach us your fib strategy? Want another tool to help confirm trades? Yeah, we could go. I always do all the technical analysis. I'll show you how to do my fib levels when we do our technical analysis portion of the class. Steve McKee over on the TikTok saying, think XRP can hit $50. Absolutely, it can hit $50. I mean, the sky's the limit. Not even the sky's the limit. The sky can't be the limit when there are footprints in the moon. You understand what I'm trying to say? There is no limit whatsoever what the price of XRP can go up to. What you're really asking is, do we have the time frame to get to $50? Are we going to be alive for XRP to get to $50? That's really what you're asking. Am I going to be alive for XRP to be at $50? It's only a matter of time, but it could take a long fucking time. Remember that cash money flow. That's what drives the price of any asset out there. Whether we're talking about crypto, stocks, Forex, whatever the hell you trade in. Money flow is what drives the price up. It's not the news. It's not the whatever the hell XRP is doing. It's not the lawsuit. It's none of that. It's money coming in more than money coming out. But to get to $50, my man, that's a shit ton of money that needs to be pushed in to XRP to get to $50. To get to $6, we need $300 billion to be injected into XRP. To get to $6, we need 10 times that amount to be at $60. Okay, so we need $3 trillion to be at $50 to $60. But that means that there's no money coming out of XRP. The money flow is always in. $3 trillion to be injected in on XRP. Can that happen? Of course it can happen. We've seen it happen all the time, but it's probably not going to happen today. Not going to happen tomorrow. Maybe the next bull cycle. And when does that start? Next year, after we get the new president. Right there, that's the trigger to getting in and driving this motherfucker all the way to the moon. Whatever price range that is. But $50 for XRP? Bro, $50 XRP, I'll tell you right now, you're not going to see me ever again. I'm never streaming again in my life. I'm never working for anybody else. I'm buying an island, and I'm going to disappear. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to disappear. I'm going to get like a whole new identification and everything, like a whole new ID, a whole new passport, just a whole new person. You understand what I'm trying to say? $50 XRP? Brother, nobody's going to find me. But yeah, my man, I'm telling you right now, it's highly doable. Of course it can. I'm not a XRP mega moon boy where our XRP is going to get to $10,000. No, I don't think that's ever going to happen. But $40, $50, like the top, tippity top. Yeah, I think it's highly doable. It's highly possible. But we do need about $3 trillion in market cap in XRP alone. In XRP alone. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube channel saying, if it hits 5, what's stopping it from going higher? Absolutely nothing. That's what I'm saying. The sky is not the limit when there are footprints on the moon. Do you understand? There is nothing stopping XRP from going to $50, $500, $5,000 other than money flow. Okay. Demand. Supply, we all know that it's stagnant. It's fixed at 100 billion XRP. Once those get released to the entire market as circulating supply, there's only going to be 100 billion XRP. Now, you multiply that by the market cap, you divide that by the market cap, and it gives you price. So you need a shit ton of market cap to have a higher price. You understand? So we need money. We need money. Can XRP drive money to XRP? Of course. It's an open market, my man. It's an open market. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube saying, imagine buying a $50 XRP from a guy that got it at 17. Yeah, that's going to be me. That's going to be me. I'll be the one selling it at $50 to a guy, and I'm the one who bought it at 17. Yeah, that's going to be me. That's going to be me in about 5 years. You'll see. I said it here first. You were here. You're present. This is all being recorded. You can rewatch this 5 years from now when XRP is $50. Bulldog, man, Bulldog, you do, man. Your comments are crazy. Man. I'm out of the corner. I'm out on the corners trying to make some money for XRP. Do you do what you got to do, man? You let me in that game though. Let me in. I need some money too. I'm gonna go with you to the corner. Let's go hang out. Do what we got to do. We need some more money for us to buy some XRP. Sunny Ray over on the TikTok saying 10,000 per XRP. My man, let me tell you right now, 10,000 XRP, I'm a trillionaire. Wait, what? Wait, no, I'm a trillionaire with $10,000 XRP. I just don't think that there's enough money in the world to drive XRP to $10,000, but I could be completely wrong. And there is not a mistake in this world I would be so happy to be in than saying that XRP can't be at $10,000. Because if I wake up one morning and XRP is at $10,000, that's it. I lost my shit. I'm done. I'm done with the world. I'm done. I'm out. You're not going to find me. Okay? You're not going to find me. Sunny Ray 369 saying over on the TikTok, price needs to be high for billion banking transfers. Yes, the technology itself demands the price to be higher. It has to be higher. There is no way in hell that we're going to stay at 80 cents. It ain't going to happen, guys. It ain't going to happen. Are your bags full? Do you know what to do? You don't need me. You know what to do. You need to start stacking up on your XRP and forget about everybody else who said that it wasn't going to make it to the top. Unfollow and unsubscribe from any other dumbass who said XRP was just never going to make it. Man, dude, were they so wrong. And man, does it feel so right. Chris Padilla. That's a good one. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube saying, no cap, I told my wife to sell her eggs for XRP. Oh man, your comments today, guys, are killing me, man. I told my wife to sell her eggs for XRP. That is the best financial decision you've ever made in your life, man. You and your wife are on the top. Yeah, that's it. You're the ones who are gonna make it. The mindset that it takes to be rich in this world. That's the mindset right there. That's where you gotta be. You know, that's where you gotta be. Sell your eggs to buy XRP. How much are eggs going on for today? Like $10,000? Something like that? Chris, you the man. Chris, you're hilarious, bro. Big shout out to ERX. Thank you for that heart, my man. Big shout out to you. Thank you so much. I highly appreciate it, of course. Sunny Ray, thank you for that like, guys. Smash that like button, guys. The more you smash the like button, the higher the XRP grows. And we want to get to that dollar mark. But before we get to that dollar, I need to be in on a fucking trade. This sucker cannot blow up to $1 without me being in on a trade. So you know what? Let's go to the class, guys. Let's find out what my entry prices are for some XRP action. Let's go in it today. Let's go. Okay, guys. Let's do our technical analysis today. Let's go in it. If you guys have any coins that you want to look at, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'll write it down and do some TA if we need to. But we're going to start with XRP today. Like always, we go to our handy dandy beautiful tradingview.com. That's where we do our TA, tradingview.com. Whoever tells you that that technical analysis doesn't work, they don't know what the fuck they're talking about. They just don't know how to identify the patterns. Well, we know. We know better. We know better. All right, so we started the daily chart. ERX wants to look at Ethereum. Yes, we always look at the top 10 here. We always go for Ethereum. We always go for XLM, XRP, Bitcoin. But I'll write it down. Render, yep, we got render. Link, yeah, we can look at some link action. Of course we can. Let's look at some link. Doge, yeah, we always look at Doge also. All right, let's start our TA, guys. Now, normally I would tell you, hey, let's start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Bitcoin ain't shit anymore. XRP is, you don't believe me? You don't believe me? This is XRP, what you're looking on the screen right now. Look at Bitcoin. Do they even look alike? No. XRP is doing is whatever the hell it wants. So if you're going to do your TA, you're going to have to do two different types of TA. One for Bitcoin and one for XRP. Because XRP has absolutely depegged from Bitcoin as of July 13th, okay? So you got to do two different types of TA. I am him over on the TikTok asking, do you use Heikin Ashi candles with your method? Yes. Heikin Ashi candles provide me one very simple thing. Momentum. Momentum. We always trade in favor of momentum. The trend is your friend until the end, and we identify the trend by using Heikin Ashi candles. Okay? So when you're using your Trading View account, make sure that you use, on the candles, you make sure you select Heikin Ashi. Okay? There are many options, many different tools you can use. But here in the Crypto Sensei Trading Dojo, we use the Heikin Ashi, okay? So, looking on what the hell XRP is doing right now. What is XRP doing right now? The first thing that you need to do, you go to the daily chart and you zoom in to the last two candles of the charts. And what do those two candles look like? They look kind of green to me. They look like strong green candles to the upside. So momentum is to where? The upside. So the first thing that you need to do is identify momentum. Because you're always going to trade in favor of the momentum. You never want to swim against the stream. Never, ever, ever. Okay? Yeah, it's higher risk, higher reward, but what for? What do you need the risk for? You want to be a consistent trader, because what the hell do I want to make $1,000 today if I lose $2,000 tomorrow? You know, it makes no sense to me. But hey, common sense is just something that people don't understand. But you and me here in the Crypto Dojo, we know better. We do better. So I'm gonna trade in favor of the trend, and the trend is very clearly to the upside on the daily chart. Okay. After we look at the daily chart to find out what the trend is, now we want to find out, when do we want to go in? Nothing goes up forever. There is going to be pullbacks. Of course, that's simple, basic trading 101. Nothing goes up on a straight line. There's going to be pullbacks. We try to catch the best entry prices in the pullback. Okay, we always go in on the red candles. We don't go in on the green candles. If you're longing, if you're shorting, then the other way around. You always want to go in on the green candles, not on the red ones. Okay, now what do we do? What do we use to figure out what those zones are? What are those price ranges? We use the Fibonacci levels. Okay, what are the Fibonacci levels? Very simple. Computers work in code. An algorithm drives mathematically that are driven by mathematical equations that are way smarter than you and me put together. I think. I don't know how smart you are, but I'm not that smart. So algorithms work in such a way that they can pretty much play out or draw out a pattern. Okay, that pattern, it's called the Fibonacci levels. As you all know, computers work with zeros and ones, binary code. That binary code, that's the Fibonacci levels. Now, there is a way to decode that code using the charts. Here's what we're going to do. Over here on the left side, there is a tool called the Fibonacci retracement. You see it over here? If you can't see it over on the TikTok, remember, I only have a very limited monitor that I can use to play my TikTok as of right now, because I don't have a stream key just yet. So if you want to head over to a bigger screen, I do stream on YouTube and Twitch and Kick and Facebook. So you can see a bigger screen. You can find the links over on my bio. You choose your Fibonacci retracement and you're going to draw it out on the screen, but you're only going to draw it out because I want to show you my settings. You go to the settings wheel of your Fibonacci. These are the settings that I use for my Fibonacci retracement tool. There are many schools of thought when it comes to the Fibonacci levels. These are mine. Okay, this is my trading style. I don't know if anybody else uses it like this. If they do, then hooray. I'm not going to take credit for anything, none of this. I don't really care about the credit. I really don't care. But this is how I do my Fibonacci levels. Take a screenshot of this if you want to do the exact same tool of the Fibonacci that I'm using. Okay? Take a screenshot, boop, write it down, do whatever you want to do, but set up your Fibonacci's exactly like this. Okay? It's very important that you uncheck every other bullshit line that you don't need. The last thing you need in crypto and trading is more lines on the goddamn chart. You don't need a million indicators. You don't need a bajillion lines. You just need your Fibonacci levels. Let's keep it simple, you know? Let's keep it simple and very stupid. And that is going to drive consistency in your trading, okay? So take a screenshot of this, write it down, place it exactly like this in your TradingView account, and you're going to trade the exact same way that I do, okay? The beauty of this Fibonacci levels is that once you master it, you don't need me anymore. You can do your own trades. You know, that's really what I want. I want you to not need me anymore. I don't have to do these goddamn live streams anymore. But you become a very consistent and good trader, which is very rare in the market. Let me tell you right now. Big shout out to ERX over on the TikTok. Thank you for that likes. Thank you for all the likes. You guys are absolutely smashing the absolute shit out of those likes. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube saying, look at Cat. I got a bag on that. Yeah, we can look at Cat. Never heard of that coin, KAT. Should be interesting. We'll go into that also. So let's draw out our Fibonacci. What's the first thing that we need to do to drive the Fibonacci? Big shout out to ERX. Thank you for that. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Send TikTok ×1. I don't even know what that means, but thank you so much for it. A big shout out to you, ERX. I'm still trying to figure out this whole TikTok thing. There's so many things that happen in the TikTok. I don't even know. But thank you. Thank you. You're highly appreciated, guys. ERX. So the first thing that we do when we do our Fibonacci levels is identify the lowest point of the chart. So if you're looking on the daily chart, what is the lowest point of all these candles right over here? It doesn't really take a genius to know that it's right here. That's the bottom before the pump. The lowest point before the pump. Okay? If you're longing, it's the lowest point of the pump. If you're shorting, it's the highest point of the pump. Okay? Because you're going to draw your Fibonacci the other way around. But we're not going to talk about shorting today. I don't short the market. I never, ever, ever short the market. It's very rare that I go in on shorts. So I'm not going to teach you shorts. I'm going to teach you how to long the market, especially in the bull cycle, which I believe we're still in. Okay? So can you identify a low? Yes. Can you identify a high? Yes. After we had that low point, what's the highest point after the pump? That one right there when it reached all the way up to almost $1. Ridiculous. That was a beautiful day to be alive, let me tell you right now. So rule number 2, can you identify the high? Rule number 3, does it have a pullback on that high? In other words, did it come back down after we had the pump? Yes, it did, but it's not announced or drawn on the screen right now because there's so much upwards momentum that we don't have a red candle to the downside. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that there is a red candle happening right now on the screen. We're not going to see it. There's so much interest, so much momentum, so much money being injected into XRP. We're just going to see green candles and green candles and green candles and green candles until we get a red candle. It's going to happen. It's going to come. It is what it is. It's the nature of the beast. But I just don't see that happening anytime soon. So we're going to pretend that there is a pullback on the high. Now, if you see here, that's a 3-point connection right there. And that looks like a shark fin. Okay, I call that the shark fin formation. That's called the shark fin pattern. That's something that I use. Okay, you're not gonna find that anywhere else. That is called a shark fin formation. Now that shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. Okay, we take our Fibonacci tool and we click on exactly the bottom point and we drag it up to the highest point. Okay, there. You see that? And now you have on your computer screen the Fibonacci levels. Now, what do those lines mean? Very easy. You just need to follow 3 very simple rules when you're using the Fibonacci levels. Rule number 1, you want to get in when the price is within the golden zone, which is these two yellow lines that I have drawn right here. Those two lines are called the golden ratio zone, okay, within the Fibonacci. Why is it called the golden ratio? Because that area right there is the area of highest demand on any asset in the world. So if the price is trading within that zone, that is your best case scenario, your best chance to getting in on that coin before it either pumps or it dumps. Okay? So if you're really trying to time the market, which is impossible to do, by the way, but if you're trying to time the market, that is exactly where you're going to want to get in. If you see an asset just, oh, it's inside the golden ratio, I need to get in. Zero hesitation, zero emotions. You're using math. You're using an algorithm that's smarter than you. Okay? Smarter than me. So no hesitation. If the asset is within that golden zone, I trade it. I get in it. No hesitation whatsoever, okay? Okay, that's rule number one. The asset needs to trade within the golden ratio zone. Is the asset trading within the golden ratio zone as of right now? No, it is not. Because there's rule number two. Rule number one, did it find support within the golden ratio? Rule number two, did it break above the 382? Which is the white line that I have drawn right there. That white line of support called the 382, once it's broken to the upside, that is exactly where you want to be if you're in a coin, if you caught it within the golden ratio zone. Okay. Back last week when I told you guys it's trading at 41 cents, that's the golden ratio zone. That was your sign, your signal to getting in on XRP. It was at 41 cents weeks ago. Okay. You can rewatch all of my videos. All of my videos are on my YouTube channel. You can rewatch all the streams. And I've been saying it for weeks, for months. Ever since May, we were trading this XRP action. Okay. So if it's in the golden ratio zone and it breaks above the 382, then rule number 3 comes into play. Rule number 3, if it breaks the 382, there is a high, very high probability that we're going to get a negative 382. If you're looking on the screen right now, there are about 7 lines that I have drawn on the screen. The yellow ones are the golden zone, and the green ones on top are the golden liquidity zone. In other words, that zone on the top, that negative 382 and negative 618 are the opposite of the yellow zone. That is where the highest order blocks and resistance you're going to find on that chart. So if you want to trade smart, you want to trade like most of the bots are trading around the world and most of the big kahunas who are actually know what they're doing, you have to trade how they trade. You can never trade against them. You're probably never going to win, okay? So you train like a machine. You trade like a machine. You get in at the 618 and you get out at the negative 382. Can it keep going higher than the negative 382? Of course it can keep going. Look at what XRP did a few days ago on July 13th after the news, after we got the settlement. It went way beyond the negative 618. It reached all the way up to the negative 1.618. Okay? But it's very rare where other coins do the exact same thing. XRP, it's its own animal. That's why I have been an XRP moon boy for a long ass time, because I know that XRP does whatever the hell it wants. Okay? But if you're trying to apply the same scenario for Bitcoin and every other coin, it'll play out quite nicely. So XRP, as of right now, what we're looking on the screen right now, did rule number 1, found support within the 618. Did rule number 2 broke out of the 382. Now rule number 3 is in play. I'm taking my profits at the negative 382. So what am I saying with all of this shenanigans that I'm talking about that you probably don't know what the fuck I'm talking about? I is saying that I'm taking my profits at $1.13. So if you were in a trade all the way down here at 65 cents, your profit taking is $1.13. So I believe that in a very, very soon scenario, we are going to see $1.13 per XRP. Now, of course, this doesn't happen on a straight line. There's going to be pullbacks. It doesn't matter because it broke above the 382. The 382 is now mega support. The 0.5 is even more support. The 0.618 is the ultimate support. So now you know that if you're going to go in on trades and you missed the train at 65 cents, you can get back in knowing that sooner or later there's going to be a pullback. If it doesn't reach $1.13 by tomorrow, if it reaches $1.13 tomorrow, then this Fibonacci doesn't work anymore. We're going to have to reset the Fibonacci and start all over again. But the beauty of this is that if you think that you're too late to the game, don't ever, ever, ever think that. It is never too late. You can always reset. Things that go up must come down. There is always going to be pullbacks. There's always going to be another chance to get in on a trade and ride that sucker up to the moon. Or if you're shorting, then the other way around. There's always opportunity where the shit just goes up berserk mode and it comes back down on the pullback, and you want to enjoy the pullback down if you're shorting. Okay? I am him over on the TXOX saying, can you show your settings again? Had to jump on the YouTube to see them better. Yeah, sure, I got you. I got you, man. I got you. These are my settings, man. Let me go right here. Boom. There you go. Okay. Take a screenshot of that while I take a sip of water. Smack 6702 over on the YouTube saying, oh yeah, YouTube live is definitely better. I hope you enjoy, my man. I took the time to, trying to make this live stream a whole lot better. I'm sorry that the TikTok is just so limited. They don't allow me to do many things. And whenever I try something new, I get flagged. It's like, God damn, why is TikTok so anal about shit that I talk about of XRP? I'm talking about XRP. I'm not talking about anything else. Do you feel offended if I talk about XRP? If you do, then that means that you're a Bitcoin maximalist and you didn't buy XRP when I told you to buy XRP. But that's on you. That's not on me. I told you to buy XRP years ago. So that's why I stream on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, Twitch. I'm all over the place. So there's no excuse not to follow my XRP journey. Okay. So make sure that you do subscribe to all the platforms, okay? All of them. Well, whichever you like most. But the TikTok channel, this one, I don't think this one's going to survive that long. I keep getting community guidelines all the time. And it sucks because I really, really enjoy my YouTube channel, my TikTok channel. Where's my music? Give me my music back. Thank you. Oh. Okay. So with everything that I said today... Ooh, we're above 80 cents once again. Look at that. So with everything that I said today, I really hope that you took notice. If you need to rewatch this again, you can rewatch it as many times as you want. Everything is being recorded into my YouTube channel. You can rewatch it. That's the beauty of it. You can rewatch it 1,000,000 times because if you master this, you're a black belt on any trading style. Okay? You can take this information and apply it to any trading style out there, and your trading is going to go to bazonkers mode, okay? Because if you master this, you're way ahead of the game. Way ahead of the game. Nobody teaches the Fibonacci levels, and I don't understand why. These are the best levels to getting in on your trades. You don't have to guess. It's right there in front of you. Okay. So let me give you a very quick example of how all this works. And we're going to use XRP. Now, instead of the daily chart, we're going to zoom down. We're going to come back down to the 2 hourly. Okay, we're just going to use the 2 hourly for me to give you an example of how to use the Fibonacci levels. Okay, not because I do my analysis on the 2 hour. I always start with the daily. And when I want to go in, I go into the 15-minute chart. Okay, but mostly I trade on the daily chart. Okay. Angelo Raming over on the YouTube channel. Why do you do the fib from bottom to top instead of top to bottom? Because I am long biased. when I do my Fibonacci levels, let me draw them out here for you guys. So let me do the Fibonacci. Okay, you see how I drag from the bottom to the top? Okay, from the bottom to the top. You do that when you want to do a longing position. When you want to do a shorting position, which is the exact same thing I taught you here, but in reverse, you drag from the top to the bottom. Okay, all of these levels, all they do is give you targets. Okay, these are just resistance and support lines, the best resistance and support lines. They are an infinite number of resistance and support lines, but these are the ones with the highest demand in. And that's where you're going to try to get in when you're going in on your trades. You want to get in on the highest demand zone. You don't want to just guess, oh, I feel like it's going to go up. No, the moment you start feeling something, get the hell out. Don't trade. Fuck emotions. Do the math. Draw your Fibonacci levels. That's where you're going to want to get in on some action. Okay. So on the 2 hour over here on the TradingView account, what is rule number 1? Did it find support within the golden ratio? Yes, it found support within the golden ratio. That was your sign to going in on a long on XRP. Right there. Okay, right there. See? That was on Friday, last week. That was your sign. Hey, I'm getting in on some XRP action to the upside. Then what's rule number 2? Did it break above the 382? Yes, it broke above the 382 right here on a Tuesday. That was, what's today? I don't have battery on my watch. What's today? Today's Wednesday or Thursday? Today is Thursday. Okay. So on Tuesday, it broke the 382. Okay. You went in on the 618 on the golden ratio. It broke the 382. So what's rule number 3? Rule number 3 means that there is a high probability that we're going to get the negative 382 to the upside. So what do you do with that information? How do you think of this? How do you make out a plan? Well, you got 2 choices. You either take your profits now that you broke the 382 and enjoy those profits on the way up, which is always the smartest. The smartest choice is always take your profits on the way up. Or 2, you can diamond hand the shit out of that trade and wait for the negative 382. Sooner or later, we're going to get that negative 382. That's a matter of time for sure. But do you have the emotional maturity to hold on to that trade all the way up to the negative 382? Most people don't. So if you see your trade at a positive 15%, shit, take that shit. Reset the Fibonacci and let's go back in again later on down the line. But if you play by the rules, you went in on the 618, it broke the 382, and you're getting out in the negative 382. So what am I saying? We got in at 65 cents. We're getting out at $1.13. Unfortunately, I did not set those limit buy orders. I wasn't looking on the screen when all this shit was happening. So I do not have a limit buy order to show you as of right now, but rest assured that I have them now. Okay, so if for some reason that I don't see happening anytime soon, if for some reason we break below the 382, I already have a trade open in the 382 at 76 cents. You see? I put $1,000 down on my 382 Fibonacci level support line. Okay. Now I am anticipating that is going to break to the downside. The 382 most of the times is not a good support line. It normally gets broken to the downside. So I'm anticipating a break to the downside on the 382. We might get a bouncy bounce, or we might not ever see 76 cents XRP ever again. Who knows? But I'm locked and loaded. I'm ready. I put a limit buy order in, an automatic buy order, just in case it happens. So if I'm sleeping and I'm not looking at the trade, which I have to sleep, I have to have a life apart from crypto. If it happens, I have a limit buy order just in case it goes my way. So if it goes down to the 382, which I have drawn right here, that's 76,280. I have a trade at 76,280. I have $1,000 down on that trade. Okay, on XRP. 5x leverage, by the way. I always use no more than 5x on my trades. You can do whatever you want. It's completely up to you. The higher the leverage, the more the risk. But hey, you trade however the hell you want. I trade with 5x leverage, maybe even with no leverage whatsoever, depending on how good I feel about that trade. My second trade, anticipating a break to the downside of the 382, is the 0.5 of the golden ratio. 70.78. Here it is. Now, I don't put $1,000 down. I put $1,000 down on the first one. On the second trade, I put $2,000 down. I 2x, I double down every time I lose. Now, that is a stupid strategy for anything else in life. Okay, there are better strategies out there. Ray! Big shout out to Ray over on the TikTok. Oh, what was I saying? Damn it, Ray! You caught my thought. What's up, Ray? It's all good. You know how it is. Chilling like a villain. So I double down every time I lose a trade. And I'm not losing a trade. There's a liquidation price, which I pay no attention to. I just double down because the more I double down and the lower it goes, the higher chance that it's going to bounce from some of those points. And I'm basically entering with a lot more money, a lot more liquidity into my trade. You don't have to trade like that if you don't want to. There's better strategies out there, of course. But that's how I've been trading it, and it's been beautiful. Okay, I started this XRP challenge with $1,000. Okay, I started this account with $1,000 in January 1st. Some of you were here when we started this challenge. And as of today, this $1,000 account is up $39,000. So I've been able to 40x my money in 7 months. So I must be doing something right, you know? I must be doing something right. And all I'm doing is just following the Fibonacci levels, going back in at $1,000, $2,000, $4,000, $8,000, $16,000, $32,000, $64,000. If you have the funds, that means that your gun is full of bullets that you can use to shoot whatever the hell comes your way. Okay? But, you know, not everybody has $100,000 to just lose. Bulldog gang, bro, that's a kick-ass name over on the TikTok. I do that with blackjack. Yeah, when you're playing 21, when you're playing blackjack, that's a great strategy. Now, the only problem with that is that some of the casino tables don't allow you to do that. Okay, it depends on the casino table. I love playing blackjack. I love counting cards. That's just one of my favorite pastimes ever. But some of the casino tables have a limit to buy in, limit to get out, limit. So it's just rules in play that don't allow you to do that in casinos. Plus, you got to see how many times the cards are being cut, and that's just I don't want to talk about counting cards on this channel. We can do that on a whole other. Come to Puerto Rico or go to a casino. We'll play some blackjack. You know what you got to do. Smash that like button, guys, if you haven't already. Angelo Ramen over on the YouTube channel. Do you think we'll keep going up on XRP or pull back first? I think that there's going to be a pullback first. I am betting that there is going to be a pullback first. That's why my trades are open to the downside. But I could be completely full of shit, you know? I could be absolutely full of shit, and this fucker just goes to $5 by tomorrow, and then I'll lose my shit. I'll lose my shit at $5 XRP. I'm buying a Lambo at $5 XRP, and I'm going to stream the hell out of it, too. You know, I said it here. I said it here first. So, guys, this is my XRP trade setup. You can take a screenshot if you want to play like me. I don't recommend you do that because I'm just an idiot on TikTok talking about how to trade XRP. You don't have to trade the exact same way that I do. If you completely call me out on my bullshit, that's on. Hey, you do what you got to do. Trade however the hell you want, but these are my active trades on the pullback on XRP. If we get a pullback, if we get one. Angelo Ramen over on the YouTube saying, thank you for explaining. I didn't know that you taught me something new. Hey, that fills my heart with fuzzy feelings, my man. Thank you for stopping by. That's why I do it. So you learn something new. The beauty of this is that you can apply what I teach you here anywhere, in any market whatsoever. It's the same rules. The only difference between cryptocurrency markets and every other market is that cryptocurrency is highly volatile. You can lose your trade in a second, you know? Stocks, forex, those are regulated markets. They have other rules that you can play by, and that's actually easier to do. Crypto is just you don't give a fuck about your money if you're in crypto. That's pretty much the golden rule of everybody in crypto. You just cannot care about your money because you're gonna lose it. It's just a matter of time. Smack 6702 over on the YouTube saying 40x trading just XRP or other coins. Well, in this case, I wanted to make this YouTube channel, this live stream, all about XRP because I wanted to show you how I turned $1,000 into $1 million using XRP, trading with the exact same rules. I already did it 2 years ago with Bitcoin. Last year I did it with Ethereum, and this year I want to do it with XRP. That's the whole point of this channel. That other YouTube channel I had before got banned. I don't have access to those videos. But you can ask anybody who was with me, especially in my Discord. I turned $1,000 into $1 million in the live stream over the course of a year. It took me a year. And we're going pretty much the same way over here with XRP. It takes about a year, but that's the whole point of this YouTube channel, of this live stream. That's why I call it the $1 million XRP trading challenge, because I challenged everybody here to turn $1,000 into $1 million using XRP, and we are well on our way. I've already doubled it. What, 40x? And you can apply the same thing for any other coin, any coin you guys want. Yeah, completely up to you. And that, guys, is my XRP trading setup. Now, let's go to the coins that you guys wanted to look at on today to do some TA. Let's see what we got over here. So we got render. Let's talk about some render action. Render. Oh, we talked about this yesterday on yesterday's live stream. So render, we do the exact same thing. We are doing the exact same thing. Let me zoom in over here. And we're trying to find out what are the entry prices you're getting in on some render action. And there it is. Like I told you guys before on yesterday's live stream. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. Look at what render is doing right now. Following the same rules, we have a low, we have a high, we have a pullback on the high, we have a strike information, and we draw the Fibonacci levels. You draw out your Fibonacci and look at where the trade is. Look at where the price is trading as of right now on the render. It's trading exactly on the 0.5 of the Fibonacci. Now you have two choices. You want to get in on render now on the 0.5, or do you want to diamond hand it to the break to the downside all the way to the 618? If it was me, Diego, Crypto Sensei, if it was me trading render, I would wait for the break to the downside to the 618. I would get in on render at $1.6715. Okay? The 618 on the Fibonacci levels is a way stronger support line than the 0.5. They're hand in hand. They're really close to each other, but about a 10% more on the 618. Okay? Not saying that it can't bounce from here and keep going to the upside. So that's why I'm telling you guys, it's really up to you. Can you stomach a break to the downside when you see a negative 20% on your trade? Can you stomach it? Because you're not going to close your trade. You don't do it with emotions. You follow the rules. You follow the math. I would get in on the 618 on the Fibonacci at $1.6715. Go in on a long and fuck the rest. I would get in at $1.67 and I would get out at $3.69. That's how I would play out this render action right over here. Ray Ray, thank you for that gift over on the TikTok, Ray Ray. Thank you. Your number 2 gift badge. What does that mean? That means that you are the number 2 person to give me a gift today? I'm still trying to figure out this whole TikTok thing. I don't really know how any of that. Is that money? Are gifts, like, do you pay for those? You don't have to do that, my man. Nah, you don't have to do that. You don't have to send me money. I'm good. Just enjoy the show, you know. But I appreciate it, of course. I appreciate it. But you don't have to. You don't have to do that. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube saying, I got bag on CTI also. Let's look at some CTI. So big shout out for Ray Ray. Thank you for that gift over on the TikTok channel, Ray Ray. You the man, Ray Ray. Big shout out to you. So this guy, that's my game plan for render. Okay, take a screenshot of that if you have to. If you want to trade it the exact same way that I would, completely up to you. But I would get in at $1.67. I would get out at $3.69, and let's hope to God that it actually plays out like that. Okay, but I'm kind of seeing that there's going to be some downwards momentum to the downside. So that 618 on the Fibonacci, yeah, I'm thinking that we're going to go into that zone right there. Okay, try to catch it at the dumpy dump, and we bounce from there, and let's go into profits. Next coin, let's talk about some ETH action. Of course, we can talk about some ETH action. So from yesterday's live stream, that's a kick-ass song. Give me a second. What's the name of that song? Rise of the Second Sun. That's a kick-ass song. Let me write that down. I want that song. Rise of the Second Sun. Rise of the Second Sun. Stereo Express. Kick-ass song. I like it. So moving on to some Ethereum action. What is Ethereum doing right now? Oh my God, look at this. I dropped my stick thingy majiggies. God damn it. My post-its. That's hilarious. So looking on some Ethereum action, what is going on right here? Ethereum is, just like XRP, finding support within the 382. Okay, finding support within the 382. Now, what do I always say about the 382? The 382 is resistance. It is very weak support. Okay, that's why I have it as a white line to indicate to me that it might break to the downside. There's a high probability that it's going to break to the downside. Okay, but if you were a betting man, that's a support zone. You can get in on XRP on 1,879. 1,829 or 1,781. So basically take 33% of your portfolio, put it on that line, 33 on the bottom, 33 on the one on the bottom. One of those zones are going to be a bouncy bounce zone like it was back here, like it was here. Okay, two chances to getting in on some Ethereum action. It broke the 382. So if it breaks the 382, that means that there is a high probability that we're going to get the negative 382. So there's a huge chance that we're going to get 2,187. When do you want to take advantage of this? When it reaches the golden zone at the bottom here at the 620. If it was me, I would bet that Ethereum is going to go down to 1,782, and then we're going to get a 2,187 Ethereum right around the corner. It's difficult to say as of right now, this moment when I'm looking on the screen right now. We are halfway through the RSI, which sucks. That means that is a no trade zone for me. We got two red candles, two T red candles. That's market insecurity. If the market is insecure, I'm even more insecure. So for Ethereum, as of right now, today, this moment, it's a no trade zone for me. So I'm going to sit back and I'm going to let the market do its thing. Okay. Once it figures out what it wants to do, then I jump in it, because I don't see momentum just yet. And I don't trade without momentum. Okay. So that is Ethereum. Let's look at some VAI. VAI. What is VAI, by the way? Viot. Viot. Oh, I've done this before. Okay. So I believe, yep. Okay. So in this scenario, we talked about this on a previous live stream. I don't remember when, but I told you guys on VAI that sucker was going to break to the downside on the Fibonacci levels. You see how on the Fibonacci levels, I drew it the other way around? Instead of pulling from the down to the up, I pulled from the up to the down. This is something that you need to learn how to do. Identify whether you want to go up or identify whether you want to go down. And that only comes with experience. I can't really teach you how to see that, but you need to. Okay, let me see. I'm talking gibberish. Looking on the screen right now, you do have a low, you do have a high, and you have a pullback on the high. Okay, you have a shark fin formation. Okay, it's there on the screen, so you can technically draw out your Fibonacci's like I've taught you to do. Okay, so let's draw it out. What is VAI doing as of right now? It is trading exactly finding that support on the 618. It is finding the support on the 618. What do you want to do with that? The first reaction should be, I'm going to get in on VAI. It's finding support within the 618. So the answer is yes. Get in on some VAI action. There's no doubt. No doubt. Get in on some VAI action. Now, getting it at the 618, it's high risk, high reward. Put your stop losses if you want to put your stop losses, or if you want to trade with like 2% of your portfolio. Depends on how you want to play it out. However, protect your money management, all of that bullshit. Me, I don't give a fuck. I go in, boom, go in with all that, with everything, and just hope for the best. But it's trading exactly where I would get in on VAI if I was going to trade VAI. Okay. So you get it as 0.0777. You get in on a long, and then you wait for it to break above the 382. So if it breaks above the 382, it is telling me that there is a high probability that we're going to get to the negative 382. So 13 cents. So you buy it at 7, you sell it at 13. Okay. If it plays out exactly like how it should, it could break to the downside, guys. Also remember that it can break the 618 to the downside, especially if there's bad news bears all around the crypto market world. I don't see that happening anytime soon, but it can happen. That's why it's so important to put your stop losses and only trade with what you're willing to lose, because it can break to the downside. Okay. But it is exactly where you want it to be. Okay. It's exactly where you want it to be. So VAI is a go. It's a go-to coin right now. Strap in, fill your bags, go on a trade, and fuck the rest. Let's go for FET. FET. What is FET? Fetch. What does fetch do? I've never heard of this coin. Let me do a little bit of research on this coin. Coin market cap. Coin market cap. You always want to do your research, guys, before you go into any coins. Just don't ever go on a coin just blindly because. No, do your research. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube saying, oh wait, no, Angelo Ramen over on the. Wait, whoa, there's a lot of comments. Give me a second, guys. Angelo Ramen saying that Clintex is a sleeper. We're going to look into Clintex soon. We're going to go VAIOT is a monster, up like 800% from the year already. Boom, bro. I'm telling you, VAI is looking strong. Go for some VAI action. Cris Padilla, AI gonna pump until 2030. Absolutely. Everything is artificial intelligence today, guy, man. Anything AI related, it's just gonna pump like crazy. I love AI. I just don't see my life without ChatGPT anymore. 90% of my business is being run by ChatGPT. Only the human interaction part is the human interaction part. Everything is AI, guys. Everything is AI. So FET is an AI coin also. So let's look at what they do. Let me look at the market. It's being traded pretty much everywhere. Founded in 2017 and launched via artificial intelligence lab building an open machine learning network with a crypto economy. Centralizes access to AI technology with permissionless network upon anyone can connect and access secure data. Blah, 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 blah. It's an AI. Who are the founders? We got some founders. We got, what's the market cap on this coin? We got 821 million circulating supply. We're at 22 cents. This is a sleeper, my man. This is, this can go to $1. Very easy. This can go to $1. Very easy. Let me look at the charts. Let's go to the charts. So what do we have here? So looking on the daily chart, we have a cup and handle formation. Why don't I see these coins before, you know? Why don't I see these coins before? Guys, you got to work with me. You got to let me know these things, you know? You got to let me know these things. Judy! Big shout out to Judy over on the Check Shock. So, let's zoom in. Let's go. I'm thinking we're going to get in on some FET coin also. Yep, we have a low. We have a high. And we have a pullback on the high. Okay, so we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. Okay. All right. So I'm glad we can look at a coin like this because this is something very important that I need to explain also. FET is trading below the 618. Okay. I'm glad you got to see it because trades can break below the 618. Okay. The 618 is not set in stone. It can be broken through also. Okay. It is trading below the 618. I personally do not trade coins that are below the 618. Okay. I wait for the price to be above the 618 because I want the 618 to be my support line. That support line is what's going to drive the price to the upside because that means that there is high demand for that coin at that price range. If it's not support as of right now, that means that the 618 is resistance. And imagine, think of it like this. You're walking down the street and you're walking and you're walking and you're walking, and then you crack the floor open and you fall into a hole. What do you think your trust levels are going to be when you walk down the same street? You're going to think, oh shit, I'm not going to walk down that same street because I'm just going to go into a sinkhole. That's what happens when a coin breaks the 618 to the downside. If it breaks, that means that the trust levels of that coin are low. You have to wait for those trust levels to come back up. And the way that that happens is by waiting for the price to go close above the 618. So as of right now, I do not trade this coin unless it closes above 27 cents. So if I wake up one morning and it's at 27 cents, I get in on some FET action. If not, here's what you're going to do. You're going to draw the Fibonacci levels the other way around. If a coin breaks the 618, draw the Fibonacci the other way around. We have a high, we have a low, and we have a pullback on that low. So we have a shark fin formation in reverse. So take our Fibonacci levels and draw it to the downside. And look at what the price range is doing as of right now. Check this out. Let me zoom in. You're going to apply the exact same rules as if you were longing but shorting the other way around. It's the exact same thing, only in reverse. XRP over on the TikTok. What's up with you, my man? It's all good and good. You know how it is. Where's XRP going, bro? To the moon. You know how it is. No doubt about it. So FET, guys, look at what it did. It found resistance on the golden ratio. Found resistance on the golden ratio. It broke the 382 to the downside. So your profit is the negative 382 to the downside. And look at how it played it out beautifully right here. Okay. So this Fibonacci played out. This doesn't apply anymore. Okay. You need to reset, find new entry levels when it breaks above the 618. So this was a missed opportunity right here. It already played out. Okay. So FET for now is a no-go for me unless it closes above the 618 at 27 cents. Yeah. Okay. That's my trading plan for FET if you guys are going to be trading some FET action. But absolutely, FET is a sleeper. You're just trying to find better entry prices. Those are it. But if you guys want to just stack up on your FET because it's an AI coin and AI is just going to boom to the moon, go right at it. It's highly probable this fucker's going to go to $1. Let's look at some link action. It's been a while since I've talked about link. Hunter over on the YouTube saying, how long did it take you to become so good and profitable? Years, brother. I've been doing this for almost 20 years now. I studied finance in college. I got my degree and I worked as a financial advisor for a very long fucking time. And when crypto came, it was my messiah, my savior. I got the fuck out of there. And when I said, why would I want to do it for somebody else when I can do it for myself? I applied the same thing that I was doing at my work, did my own thing, my own trading style, and the rest is history. But don't get it wrong. I get it wrong all the time. The difference between me and every other crypto trader out there is consistency. Because if you make $1,000 today, you don't want to lose $2,000 tomorrow. You have to be consistent in your trades. You do that by not trading with emotions, trading by following the rules. It's very simple. Just follow the goddamn rules. The moment that you feel like you need to do something, get up and leave. Don't trade. If it's not according to the rules, just don't do it. Ray over on the TXX saying you're a savage though, bro. Stop, Ray. I'm just a man. I'm just a man. Stop. You're gonna make me blush. What we're looking at? We're looking at Link. Just look at some chain link action. Well, Link is on the bottom. First things first. Link is on the bottom. Look at the all-time high. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube he's a financial advisor, but this is not financial advice. Absolutely. I got rid of all my licenses. I don't want to be a financial advisor to nobody. I was a financial analyst. I wasn't a financial advisor. I can be if I wanted to. Nah. People cry when you tell them the truth, you know? They don't want to be told what to do with their money. It's their money. Do whatever the fuck you want with your money. I'm not going to tell you what to do. It's not on me. Sammy Sill over on the YouTube saying Cambria is a sleeper too. Cambria? Let me write that down. I never heard of that one. Is that how you write it? Cambria? We'll look at that one. Of course we can. Interesting. So Link is on the bottom. From the all-time high, this is a drop of about 85%. So if your hopes and dreams are to accumulate a coin that's on the bottom, that's a great opportunity to stack up on some Link action also, guys. It's on the bottom. I don't even have to do any TA whatsoever. It's on the bottom. You know what I mean? Stack up on some Link. Wait for the next bull cycle. Now, again, this is another type of coin that's just for the next bull cycle. 2025, you're going to want to get rid of this coin. But it's on the bottom. I don't need to do TA. It's already trading below all expectations and whatnot. It's on the bottom. Buy this coin and just hold it in your wallet and wait for the next bull cycle. Let's see how it goes. Let's look at some cats. K-A-T. Cambria. Oh, that's what you guys were talking about. Cambria. What are all these pump and dumps happening over here? Let me see what you guys got. Here comes some Cambria. So Cambria, what does Cambria do? What does Cambria do? Cambria, trading below a cent. You can trade it on KuCoin. That's wonderful. Cambria tokens are necessary for interactions in the ecosystem. I don't have much information. Do you guys know what Cambria do? You said with fundraise to Cambria DAO. Oh, they're DAOs to become owners of the DAO technology. This token. Sorry. What do we got with Cambria? Let's go. Do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes. So we have a shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. Now, Cambria trading below the 618. With that said, we draw the Fibonacci levels in reverse. And it is telling me that there is a high probability that we're going to get to the negative 382 to the downside. In other words, if I was going to trade this coin, if I were to start stacking up on this coin, I would get in it right here, 0.0007369. Okay? If I was going to trade this coin, I would get it at that price. I would get in at that price. But another coin that's on the bottom, just like Link, it's on the bottom. And it's less than a cent. It's less than a cent. Where's the calculator? It used to be around here. I don't remember where it was now. They don't have a calculator for this anymore? They used to have one. Oh, here it is. So, for $200, $266, you get 100,000 Cambria. Buy it and hold it for the next bull cycle. What can you lose? $100? Not bad. Not bad. Hunter over on the YouTube saying, bro, that's a negative number. Ugh. See, this is why I got you guys. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm tired already. That's a negative number. Well, if you could get it at a negative number, that would be even better. You could get it at an even... That's why I'm telling you guys. Right here, right now. Start stacking up with some Cambria. You don't need the TA. You don't need to find out entry prices. It's on the bottom. Just start stacking up. Put $200 in. You got 100,000 Cambria, and hope for the best for the next bull cycle. That's hilarious. Thank you. I mean, I don't even know. I'm like this. I don't even know what I'm saying. What time is it? I've been streaming for an hour and a half. I'm hungry though. Ooh, you know what I would get? Do you guys know what what's it called? What's that called? It's an acai bowl is. I would get an acai bowl. I'm hungry. So guys, if you're on the fence on some Cambria action, don't be. It's on the bottom. This is exactly where you're going to want to start stacking up on this coin. It's less than a cent. Go for it. Go for it. Okay? You're going to regret if this fucker decides to pump out of fucking nowhere and you're like, oh, I should have bought Cambria when Crypto Sensei said to buy Cambria. It's not on me. It's not on me. 100,000 Cambria costs you $266. 100K challenge right there. Buy 100K cat coins and just wait for the best. Chris Padilla over on the YouTube saying their market cap is tiny, so you already know it's good. I mean, not necessarily, but it has a high potential to pump out of fucking nowhere. And you all know crypto just pumps out of nowhere for no reason whatsoever. So, yeah. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. One more coin, guys. I'll do one more coin. We're looking at CTI. Oh, what the hell happened to my camera? There we go. Let's look at some CTI. What is CTI? Clintex? Clintex? Okay, no. So this is another meme coin, another one of those coins. Let me see. Clintex, another bottom coin. I'm going to start calling these bottom challenges. You know, bottom challenges are challenges where you buy the coins when they're below the expectation zones, like way below. Wait, this is CTI against ETH. I don't want CTI against ETH. I want CTI against Tether. There we go. Bottom challenge, my man. Bottom. What does this coin even do? Let's find out. We got clinical trials intelligence, a scalable blockchain built for clinical trials to serve as a single source of truth for the clinical trial and pharma industry and designed for wide adoption by the stakeholders of the ecosystem. CTI has been designed to transform the medicine development industry through the applications of predictive analytics, machine learning, and novel use of blockchain technologies and smart contracts in clinical trials. These are clinical trial coins. How much does it cost me to buy 100,000 of this coin? It cost me 1,660 to buy 100,000 of this coin. This coin is trading at a cent. It's grown about 4% in a day. Another bottom challenge, guys. Bottom. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna right here. Bottom. BBCs. This is a BBC right here, my man. Bottom challenge. Yeah, Angelo, I got it, Angelo. I got it. I fixed it. Sheesh. So absolutely 100K of this coin will cost you about 1.5K. And wait for the best. Buy it and hold it for the next bull cycle. Let's see if it actually plays out. But there's no TA here I can help you with, my man. This is just a bottom coin. Bottom coins are no TA coins. Those are just high risk, high reward. Buy it and forget it. Oh, come on. It didn't fucking open. Oh, man, so goddamn close. It was so damn close to getting in on my trade. God, come on. I want it to go down. I want to be on this trade before it fucking pumps to $1. Because if it fucking pumps to $1 before I get in, I'm going to be so pissed. No, it is what it is. All right, guys. Well, that's all the time I got for you today. I hope you all had a lot of fun. I sure as hell did too. I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm super duper hungry right now, and I'm thinking about buying an acai bowl. If you don't know what that is, it's an acai fruit bowl where you put the acai on the bottom. There's granola, there's Nutella, there's coconut oil, there's fruits, there's coconut drips on the top, and there's almonds. It's ridiculously good, my man. If you're in the Puerto Rico area, acai bowls, that's the shiznit over here, man. That's the shit right there. So, guys, thank you for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did, too. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. I'm streaming every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern on all the platforms. So make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Make sure that you hit the notification bell if you're on the YouTube channel so you get notified every time I stream. If you're on the TikTok, make sure that you follow also so you also get notified when I stream. I'm trying to stream every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern. I really appreciate each and every one of you for coming over and spending this a little hour of power trying to figure out what the hell the market is going to do. Are we going to go up, down, sideways? I don't know. We got to stick around and find out, guys. So I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Have a good one. Take care and God bless.